Jeevan Mark Sophia Secondary School Deoria wishes you a very happy Diwali. As we welcome festive season during the COVID-19 pandemic, it's more important to lay special emphasis on our health. Tamso Ma Jyotirgamaya. Diwali is a festival that leads us from darkness to light. सूर्य की प्रातः रश्मियों से रात का अंधकार विलुप्त हो जाता है. ज्ञान के दीपक से अज्ञान का अंधकार समाप्त हो जाता है. Every light carries a ray of hope. The flame of hope should never go out from your life. So, we, the member of Jeevanite family, took an oath to soldier on with the hope that we will emerge stronger and successful in fight against COVID-19. This Diwali, we are going to light a diya to dispel the darkness of COVID-19. Diwali celebrates the triumph of good over evil. It seems as though this year has been nothing short a year of triumph, a year where we did not allow the consequences of the pandemic to crush our spirits. It has been helped us to discover our strength. As we celebrate this joyous festival this year, it's important to undertake precautions due to the spread of the pandemic. However, let it not dampen the festive spirit. Diwali is a 5 days festival and it begins with Dhanteras. On this day, people purchase utensils and jewelry to bring good luck. And normally, this is a very crowded day. But remember, the virus has not gone away. So we must have to follow precautions while we are going out. So here are few tips. Carry your bags and wear a mask. It's recommended that you carry your bag when going to store instead of relying on them for the same. And cover your mouth and nose with a mask when stepping out in public. So follow the social distancing rule. Keeping your distance from other people at the store is another way to slow the spread of virus. Go alone. Instead of tagging someone along and following social distancing practice, it's better to go alone at the store, and especially children are not allowed to go that day. Stand in a queue. Lesser number of people at the store will ensure more safety when standing in the queues. Carry your own disinfectants. WHO recommended washing hands with soap and water or a sanitizer. While all the stores may have facility of soap and water, you must carry an alcohol-based sanitizer along and use it to disinfect hands whenever required. Follow hand hygiene. Use effective way of hand washing, and duration of the procedure must be at least 20 seconds. Try for contactless shopping if possible and avoid touching display items and commodities in the market. So these are few of the tips that you have to follow on Dhanteras. Choti Diwali. This is the second day of 5-day long festival of Diwali, and it is celebrated one day before main Diwali. And now the most beautiful festival, Diwali, is here. From lights, delicious sweets, and gifts, the festival is all about spreading love and joy. This corona cannot subdue the vibe and energy of the festival. So don't worry. Keep your excitements intact. You can still have a lot of fun by following few guidelines given by these children.
Refrain from using hand sanitizers which are alcohol based before lighting candles, diyas or any such things. This is because the sanitizers are inflammable and may cause fire hazards. It is therefore advised by the experts to wash your hands with soap and water before lighting anything which involves burning fire. Wishing you a very happy and a prosperous Diwali.
Sanitizer bottles are common in household and are kept handy due to ward of germs during COVID-19 pandemic. But since maximum sanitizers are alcohol based, they can easily catch fire. Therefore, it should be kept at a safe place. Wishing you a very happy Diwali.
Namaste and no handshake became the common slogan during the beginning of the pandemic, where people preferred to join their hands and greet others rather than shaking your hands. Using such traditional ways of greeting, especially during the festive season, shall be a good idea, which will also prevent us from the virus which is rapidly spreading. Once again, we wish that let each diya you light brings a glow of happiness on your face and enlighten your soul. Happy Diwali!
It is significant to be responsible and take mandatory precautions. COVID-19 pandemic this year has made the use of mask necessary. Therefore, whenever you step out of your house, make sure that you cover your nose and mouth to save yourself from getting infected. Wishing you a happy and safe Diwali.
Happy Diwali to you all. I know that this Diwali is not going to be same as it was before. We have to take some precautions during this Diwali because of COVID-19. Make sure to wash your hands with soap and water if they are visibly dirty and you are at home. If you are not at home, then make sure to wash your hands with hand sanitizer and make sure to wear your mask whenever you go out. It's necessary and mandatory to wear your mask when you go out home. And stay home, stay safe, and I wish you a happy Diwali.
We can't go to the malls. Now we can go to the waterfalls. Because this virus is just scary, sending our spines into shivering. If you have to go out, think twice. Wear your mask, be wise. After coming home, sanitize and wash your hands thrice. COVID-19 is the name and it is playing a hide and seek game. By following the rules, we can ensure the end game. Therefore, I request all of you, if you see any symptoms earlier, isolate instantly and alert your contacts to test themselves. Wishing you a very happy, prosperous and beautiful Diwali. Thank you.
If someone visits your home for unavoidable reasons, entertain keep them in an open, well-ventilated area. This Diwali, let's maintain proper social distancing and in unity fight against COVID-19. Wishing you a safe and prosperous Diwali.
Sanitize the homes, the outside handles, frequently and commonly used sections of the gate, doorbell, knocking devices, etc. Give yourself and your family the gift of joy and health this Diwali.
Don't touch your eyes, nose, face, mouth, etc. Avoid the temptation to readjust the mask. Wishing you a happy and safe Diwali.
Get a test done. Well informed is well armed. So it is good to know your status. Wishing you all a happy and safe Diwali.
If you test COVID-19 positive, do not panic. Your positivity will help you fight it better. Happy Diwali.
Keep your footwears outside and separate. Wishing you all a happy Diwali.